Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL family. Today we are going to see about one of the most asked SQL interview question in Delight. Let's see what is the question and what is the answer for that. The question is, write a procedure to get the employee details who are getting less salary based on user entered amount. So let's see how we can achieve this. So now I am going to create a table. The table name called employee details and having employee ID, employee name, department ID, job type and salary. Let's create a table created. Now I am going to insert a few records based on job type and salary and employee ID and employee name. So now I am going to insert few records. Okay, now records are inserted. Now let's see what are the records are stored in the table. So these are the records are stored in the table. Now we are going to create a procedure. So the while I'm creating a procedure, the statement is create or alter procedure name, procedure and procedure name. I'm declaring a variable that is called integer because I'm going to pass one particular amount. Based on that amount, we need to filter what are the amount is less than that salary, less than that amount. We need to print that values. So I'm declaring the variable that is called integer data type. So as begin, within begin and end, this is the default statement for procedure. So I'm using whatever select query I want. Select depart employee ID, employee name, job type from employee details table, and salary, whatever salary user entered, that salary less than or less than that user entered amount. So now I'm going to create a procedure. So procedure is created. Now I'm going to execute the procedure using execute command, the procedure name, and I'm passing 20,000 value. So let's see what is the output for this. Okay, 20,000. Okay, let's see. I'm changing. The amount is 20. We don't have. So I'm going to make 30,000. 30,000. So the associate 2, 1 and 2, Jaga and Darshan, these two associates are less than 30,000. Let's see both table. See, this is the table. So now I am pausing 13,000. So Jaga and the employee ID 1 and 2, 1 and 2, the associate ID salary is 28,000 and 22,000. That means the less than 30,000 amount. So we have achieved the result. Thank you all, and please subscribe our channel to get more information, and please comment me if you have any query related doubts or concept related doubts. Thank you all. Bye.